What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. You guys, I'm back at Dollery. If you guys have ever wondered why I call it Dollery, it's because the R and the T were out. As you guys can see, it's slightly a different color, but the R and T were gone. So if you're ever wondering why I say Dollery, or you see me type it, no, it's not a typo. This is the Dollery location. I don't know what happened here, but anyways, let's head in. Hi. Okay. Ooh, pretty. These ones are so pretty, aren't they? I really like these a lot. Those are so cute. Then we have the cute carrots, the birdies, or the duckies, the bunnies. I bought some of the carrots and some of the bunnies last year. This is my first time seeing the little duckies. I think they're adorable. I love these for like jelly beans and stuff. Super cute. I think these are new this week. We have the candy crosses, super pretty, by R.M. Palmer. The gummy carrots, those are cute. They're telling us to get ready. Oh, and these are brand new. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh, I love these too. So cute. The little Easter flying discs, the wind-up hopping toys, the glitter putties. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. The moss bunnies. Those are adorable, and yes, they are hollow. And then we have all the pretty Easter grasses. If you guys like ASMR, if you like relaxing sounds like crinkles, crushes, sand pouring, relaxing sounds, definitely check out my ASMR channel. It is a powdery gem chalk ASMR channel. I do crushes, a lot of relaxing content. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm seeing even more Easter stuff over there. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, the towels are so pretty. Look at this. I love this towel so much. Like, these are my colors, you guys. So pretty. Yes, I love these. Wow. And it's that sort of microfiber. We also have some amazing confetti or table scatter. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is so cute. It's making me so happy. Wow, look at this little area. Bunnies, chickies, we have sports ones, bunnies, chickies. We have these little ones remind me of Peeps. Look at the unicorns. We also have the tins. And these are little cute 2-packs. These are back from last year. I really love these. I love the little shape. We have the pretty unicorns. They're so cute, you guys. Wow, those are adorable. We have the little gnome bunnies. The pink is so cute. And then we have some other little ones down below. They look like they could double as little summer pails, especially these little ones. Get it for Easter and then use it for summer. So cute. And then we have a lot of window clings, a whole bunch of window clings. The gel stickers up top. All the garlands. The eggs with the lids. Even smaller ones here. These cute ones. Ooh, look at this one. These are little hollow plastic eggs. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Bunny Trail Farms. I might have to get this. Wow, and it feels pretty heavy. Oh my gosh, you guys. This one is just so cute. Aw, open 9 to 5. Farm fresh eggs and produce, established 1925, locally grown. And then we have the annual Easter market. And then we have pick your own carrot patch. Super cute. But I love the brown and the pink. And then we have these ones. Welcome. Lots of pretty pastel buffalo check. Every bunny welcome. Happy Easter. So cute. Oh, look at this cute guy. Happy Easter. Aww. Wow, Dollar Tree. Look at these. I'm impressed, Dollar Tree. We have fresh carrots on little faux cutting boards. Cottontail & Co. Egg Farm. So cute. So, so cute. Wow, look at this blue. All sorts of spring items. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It says it was previously $2.99 and now it's $1, but I don't know if it's gonna ring it for $1 or $1.25. High energy suet for wild birds. I mean, getting suet for $1, that's unheard of. And then we have the little hummingbird feeders. Look at the little carrots. Aw, the carrots. Lots of nice garden tools. Wow. These are substantial. We have the little trellis. Oh, here are the rakes. Look, you guys, we have the rakes. So this is the rakey part. And then you come over here and you grab your pole. And then we have lots of hangers for plants. And we have gladiola bulbs. Yellow, pink, red. We have a mix. Really nice. And then we have the marigold boxes down here. Yes, you guys. Okay, you guys, we'll definitely come back to my very next video because I'm going to show some new Easter items here on this aisle, and I'm going to head right over to makeup. I'm also seeing a lot of new sunglasses. There's a huge sunglasses display, so I'm going to work my way around and show you guys everything that's new. So definitely come back to my very next video. If you guys are brand new to the channel, welcome. Hit that little button and subscribe and join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.